My question is in relation with the Munching Award po, and anyone could answer. In a highly competitive organization like JCI Manila, how do these awards ensure that the spirit of brotherhood remains intact even when only a few are singled out for individual excellence?
Since we are thank you for the question. Since we are an all-male chapter and we have this passion for our community, passion for helping our communities, we don't really take it as a competition, as a parang ego, diba? We're challenging ourselves to really elevate the projects through these awards. Because through these awards, there will be recognition. Our external judges are all reputable, are all very high integrity. So these awards will really challenge our members to put their best in their projects, in how they fundraise, in how they execute the projects. So I think, I believe that this is the essence of this project. It's not about competing with one another. It's more about challenging them to be better, because we know that we can still do better. But hopefully, through this award, we can attain our full potential. Thank you.
If I may add lang, so the beauty of JCI Manila, as presented by EVP Matt a while ago, is that we have more than 400 projects per year. And a lot of those are internal, meaning fun projects like golf, basketball, Mobile Legends. And these are all the brotherhood activities that let us compete for fun and also create stronger bonds between the members. So the Munching Award is only one of many programs that ensures the brotherhood is intact and stronger for JCI Manila. Thank you.